So here's the progress so far. Got the nest down. Still kind of smells like mouse pee in here a little bit. Got the floor swept up. Got my shop vac there. Like I said, this is going bye-bye, so that's pretty soon to be gone. I've got the door down, and it's still not 100%, as you can see. Still a little screwed up there, but I mean, I still got a little cleaning to do up here, along the, the canvas here. You can hear my daughter in the background there. This little man reading his books. Kid's a bookworm, which he loves. So far, this is what I've got here. Still got a little bit of cleaning to do. So one thing I forgot to do is show you guys the drawers. And surprisingly, no mice got in the drawers. This one here I gotta fix. There's no thing for the track on that one. And then there's that one. So, surprisingly enough, there is no mice in the drawers. I know I took a parts camper apart, and literally this whole side was right full of mice. But not this one. So move my gun. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and see if I can find a screwdriver to fit these square bits. Now I went to Harbor Freight and got that little taper-free bit kit, and those just don't fit. So looks like I got to go back there and get some more tools, because I got to take this off, which all those are all square bits. I was going to take this off, and again, those are all square bits. I still got to vacuum the beds. I got to vacuum that cushion off yet. But there's the kids. They're loving it so far. Aren't you?
Yeah.
You liking it?
Yeah.
Alright. So, wife's got to do a little bit more cleaning on the canvas. So I'll show you that. She got one section done, one section of it done. Talk about a night and day difference. Like I said, she's got to unzip this and clean the inside of that. So she got this back section done here, which looks really nice. So this is going to wash up nice. We'll probably get some treatment for that. And then, just come around, do up here. And so yeah, as you can see right here, that's not pretty there. So, and I got the windows open, letting the air out some more. I think I'm just going to probably come back through here with the Lysol on the back side of this and just spray it down. Unfortunately, I did see some more water damage up here in the front corner. It did kind of ruin the floor right there. Let me get the key here. A bunch of goodies in there. Yeah, as you can see right there, that's no good. No idea what that is. Excuse you, I didn't ask you. Oh, look at that. Liquid holding tank, deodorant, and cleaner. So this must go for that, that must go for the porta potty there. And of course, I got an old multimeter lead just holding the door open here, because this isn't level. Side to side, it's level forward to back. And the model of this is a 2308 Rockwood Premier. So there's the updates so far. And this lens I noticed last night was busted, but the light still works. So, and then there's water damage here. This floor's practically shot there, so I'm gonna have to pull this out and kind of redo the floor there. But it's a work in progress. So I have not yet tried the furnace. I haven't even turned the gas on yet, and there is still gas in the tank, so that's awesome. Still got to clean the stove off. I take that out back, hose that off, get all the gas off it. So, and then I got to figure out how to get these mattresses out, if they do come out, which I think they do. So, take those out, probably wash them outside of the camper, get back there, open that up, and I got to figure out how to get all that crap off the canvas there. But, you know, they chewed it here. And I noticed over here, there's a hole there in the screen, and another small one right there, which not a huge deal. Well, there's another one that I just noticed. So there's that one there too. So a few small holes in the screens. I mean, as you can see, this one here was already patched. So I'm not gonna worry too much about the little holes. There's patches. Next to Mommy's car. So, nothing, I haven't done any cleaning in there yet, so. It's work in progress. It's going to take a little bit to do. I hope to get a lot of this done here pretty soon. And,
Me picture.
well, I'm not taking pictures, I'm taking a video.
No. Me picture.
What do you think? You ready to get this done?
Yeah.
You want to go camping in it tonight?
Probably not tonight, though.
Oh, come on.
I say that. Still have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, unfortunately we do.
And those beds are not ready.
Not yet, but they will be. So, stay tuned for the camper remodel. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing, ring that bell so you know when I put out another video on the update of the camper. So, till then, have a good one. Happy camping.